Okay, so we're all aware that certain foods contain harmful toxins and chemicals that can cause various chronic diseases. But did you know there are certain very common foods that even can cause death if eaten raw? I don't want you to panic because this isn't very common, but let's get right into the list. Number one, apple seeds. An apple a day keeps a doctor away, but did you know that an apple seed can have the reverse effect on your body? The reason? Apple seeds contain traces of cyanide that may make you feel nauseated or sick. However, a small amount, like a seed or two, cannot prove to be fatal. However, if you have enough of them, you may die. Number two, nutmeg. Nutmeg contains myristicin, and consumption of even small amounts of this spice can lead to hallucinogenic symptoms. I am not kidding at all. The consumption of 5 grams of nutmeg is enough to cause convulsions. If you have more than that, you may suffer from seizures as well. Do not try to mess around with this spice. Number three, cassava. This famous shrub contains cyanide in high amounts. Though the woody shrub is a staple snack in Africa, which they either boil or steam, the leaves and roots are very rich in cyanide. Number four, kidney beans. Remember, we're talking about eating it raw. I know rajma is one of the favorite dishes of most people, especially vegetarians. But these kidney beans, when consumed raw, can directly take you to your grave. Raw rajma contains cyanide, and when these beans are crushed, they form hydrogen cyanide, which can be fatal to your health. So never ever swallow raw rajma. Number five, potatoes. Somebody dying because of eating potatoes is not very common at all. However, when the leaves and stems of potatoes are kept for a long time and turn green, they produce a toxic element known as glycoalkaloid that is not good for your body. Enjoy the potatoes, but leave them alone when you notice them turning green. Number three, cashews. Raw cashews contain urushiol, which is poisonous to your body. Thus, they are processed thoroughly before they are ready to consume. Only have cashews that are marked ready to be consumed. Number seven, bitter almonds. Almonds are both sweet and bitter. Sweet almonds are edible, whereas bitter almonds are used to extract oils. But eating a handful of bitter almonds can cause serious troubles as they contain high amounts of cyanide. These everyday items can kill you if eaten raw. If you have eaten any of the above mentions recently, better rush and see a doctor immediately. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.